And we have the
ebigambirwe oba ba Lions Club of Sheema babino bahereza itendekero rya Ankore Western University Leos Charter hamwe no kutongoza abebembezi aho batandikire no kutera ebiragano.
That I will help the club.
I will help the club
By actively serving on committees.
By actively serving on committees.
And in other capacities.
And in other capacities.
You must have an attitude of cheerfulness. Have you seen I'm not grim on my face? I'm smiling, isn't it? Yes, I've always seen her smiling all the way from Bara. Yeah? But you must be understanding. You must extend a helping hand. When you see an old man or woman, and Sheema as a district is well known for having old persons disability programs. So please assist me.
Unka president witu buri fellowship ntuteko kumushabera nangwa tumwe mucyara tutosinga. We are tossing to the president of our country.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa Sheema district Sheema tumwishe bahanda akwatanise na mukuru wa Ankore Western University basimira ba Lions Club okubaha charter.
Twabona ho kutandikira umukwakana. I am sure before end of year we are going to get a charter. The application is done. It is already submitted to National Council for Higher Education. Application it can submitting I know very soon we will have a review and we're working towards closing all the weekends. I know when they come will be found worthy.
Umwana yarga hansi ayombekirwe ahamusingo kugira icyo mirongina no kwamanya nguricyo asemera n'ikore kirungi nikiza kuyambana community ushanga ngushema abana barumu bona abari wose nibareta nabandi abana harubaju nenga nibabaha good example so ushange community yayigira ki yayongerwaho uko baje
Gasha kwa mai kwa tuachiri.